This is a very peculiar truck design that is surprisingly popular in Brazil. Local truck drivers raise the rear suspension of their trucks up to 2 meters, and they call them Kangaroo trucks. Apart from being a stylish modification, the most important reason for doing this is to prevent cargo theft. In Brazil, thieves are very bold and often climb onto the back of trucks to steal goods. Raising the rear end of the truck makes it much harder for thieves to climb onto the vehicle. Additionally, it can also help trucks hide the fact that they are overloaded. However, this modification can also be dangerous for truck drivers when braking suddenly, as the cargo can slide forward and crush them.